Hello there. This video will highlight one of the top 5 business drivers for dynamic data masking. A common IT issue is that offshore users need partial access to production data to perform their job, but they typically should not get access to sensitive data. Let us look at Franklin, our offshore user. When he runs a query in a production database, he can see all the sensitive data. The organization has a policy that states offshore users should only have access to de-identified data. Mage Data will create a 3-step process. Who's the policy for? Where does sensitive data reside in schemas, tables, and columns? And what is the protection mechanism? Patricia, our policy manager, will log in the system and will access the page to manage the dynamic data masking policies. The offshore users have been created and the tokenization for dynamic data masking is applied to the policy. The policy can be published. Once the process is completed, we can check in the database. When the same query is run again, we can see names and numbers have been replaced by tokens. Generally, the data is tokenized for support person working outside the geography. If the token needs to be reversed, the UI administrator can log and use the Mage Data translation function. The UI administrator can select the data classification which needs to be detokenized. In our example, Ricky will select full name. He will use the realization function. By clicking on Show De-anonymized Value, he will be able to see the de-anonymized value for that full name. In this way, support activities can be carried out from offshore. The offshore users will see only tokens. In case an offshore user needs a help or a deeper analysis from an onshore user, then the onshore administrator can access Mage Data and view the original value from the translator function. For other, more complex requirements, Mage Data is very flexible and seamlessly provides realistic masking, context-preserving encryption, as well as conditional masking. Mage Data also enables similar rules across enterprise data platforms. Please contact Mage Data for additional information. Thank you.